So, you're facing a financial hurdle, maybe an unexpected medical bill, a home repair, or a pressing debt consolidation need. You've heard about Rocket Loans, but you're wondering, how much can I actually borrow? Let's dive in and explore the factors that determine how much you can borrow from Rocket Loans. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. The amount you can borrow from Rocket Loans will vary depending on several factors, including your creditworthiness, income, and the type of loan you're applying for. Explain Rocket Loans. Rocket Loans is a financial technology company that specializes in personal loans. They offer a variety of loan products, including personal loans. These loans can be used for various purposes, such as debt consolidation, home improvements, medical expenses, and more. Home equity loans. These loans allow you to borrow against the equity in your home. Auto loans. These loans can help you finance the purchase of a new or used vehicle. Factors that determine loan amount. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How much can you actually borrow from Rocket Loans? Several key factors influence the loan amount you're eligible for. Credit score. Your credit score is arguably the most significant factor. A higher credit score generally translates to better loan terms, including a higher borrowing limit and lower interest rates. Tip: check your credit report regularly for errors and take steps to improve your score if necessary. Credit history. Your credit history, including your on-time payment history, credit utilization rate, and length of credit history, plays a crucial role. Tip: maintain a consistent payment history across all credit accounts. Income and debt-to-income ratio, DTI. Rocket Loans will assess your income and debt-to-income ratio, DTI. Your DTI is the percentage of your monthly gross income that goes towards debt payments. A lower DTI generally improves your chances of loan approval and increases your borrowing limit. Tip: reduce your existing debt obligations to lower your DTI. Employment history. A stable employment history demonstrates your ability to repay the loan. Tip: if you've recently changed jobs, consider waiting a few months before applying for a loan. Loan purpose. The purpose of the loan can also influence the borrowing limit. Example: loans for home improvements may have higher borrowing limits compared to loans for vacations. Loan term. The length of the loan term will also impact the borrowing limit. Longer loan terms may allow you to borrow more, but they will also result in higher overall interest costs. Tip: choose a loan term that aligns with your repayment capabilities and financial goals. How to check your eligibility. Rocket Loans offers a pre-qualification process that allows you to check your eligibility for a loan without impacting your credit score. This process involves providing some basic information, such as your income, employment history, and desired loan amount. Tips for increasing your borrowing power. Improve your credit score. This is the most impactful step. Focus on making on-time payments, keeping credit utilization low, and disputing any errors on your credit report. Reduce existing debt. Lowering your DTI by paying down existing debts can significantly improve your borrowing power. Increase income. If possible, explore ways to increase your income, such as asking for a raise, taking on a side hustle, or finding a higher-paying job. Shorten loan term. Consider a shorter loan term to reduce overall interest costs and potentially increase your borrowing limit. Important considerations. Interest rates. Remember that interest rates can vary significantly based on your creditworthiness and other factors. Loan fees. Be aware of any potential loan fees, such as origination fees or prepayment penalties. Repayment terms. Carefully review the loan repayment terms, including the monthly payment amount, interest rate, and loan term, before signing any loan agreement. Rocket Loans application process. The Rocket Loans application process is generally straightforward and can be completed online. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documents, such as proof of income, identification, and bank statements. Complete the online application. Submit your loan application online and provide the required information. Review and accept loan offer. Once approved, review the loan offer carefully and accept the terms if they meet your financial needs. Customer service and support. Rocket Loans provides various customer service channels, including phone support, email support, and live chat. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. The information provided may not be accurate, complete, or current. If you're considering a loan from Rocket Loans, it's crucial to carefully research and compare loan offers from different lenders to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.